Let's start cooking this delicious dinner. Firstly, gather some spices like 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 2-inch piece of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. We need to coarsely ground the spices. You can use mortar and pestle. Or you can use a spice grinder. Now take 10 garlic cloves, add spices we prepared, and to 2-3 tablespoons of water. Now blend all these ingredients into a paste. We are using 1 kilogram of Mediterranean sea bass. Use the fish which maintains its texture and shape throughout the cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Marinate the fish for at least 30 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of oil to the pan. Fry fish on medium heat until it becomes golden. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions for extra gravy. Can be skipped if more gravy not needed. Sauté on medium heat till the onions are translucent. Now add 3 tomatoes peeled and cut into cubes. Cook until softened. Add leftover marinade from the fish. Smooth out the gravy till the oil comes out. Add the fried fish. Carefully sauté the fish in the gravy. Try not to break the fish pieces. Adjust the salt according to desired taste. Add 1/4 cup of mild green chilies cut into slices. Add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Mix in carefully with fish and gravy. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Delicious fish karahi is ready to serve. Sprinkle freshly ground black pepper to your taste. Best to eat with your favorite naan or plain rice. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.